It is the first day of my turkey season. It is the warmest turkey hunting I've ever been in. I'm in this more or less hot box right now. It is 81 degrees here, and we got rain coming at 7 p.m. So I'm hoping that we can get out of here before the rains. As you can see here, I got my Hoyt bow, and this is my first time turkey hunting with a bow. We haven't seen too many toms around here recently. I've been seeing a few hens, 3 or 4 hens walking around and stuff, but no toms. So we're gonna start seeing what we can see. I got the decoy set out here. I was gonna hunt this morning, but it said it was gonna rain, and then when I woke up it wasn't raining, so a little upset about that, but hopefully we have a good night tonight, and hopefully we don't get too wet. So it's Friday. I just got off work. I'm headed out. Not really going to be hunting tonight. I'm just wanting to make sure that my blind didn't blow away. We had this huge storm. A lot of actual hail damage in the Janesville area. So I'm headed out to make sure my blind hasn't blown away too far. I do have the shotgun with me just in case the big guy pops out, but more or less just making sure I get everything ready for tomorrow morning. Well, the blind's still here. Looks like it got one side popped, 2 sides popped in, but it's still at least here. I thought it was going to be about 2 farms down. So I'm going to get that pop back out, make sure all the stakes are good, and kind of sneak out of here. Don't want to disrupt too much since I'm not hunting tonight. Trail, right? Yep. So coming on this trail, do you want to? They started to kind of go up and through, so we can either go up and around and cut them off. I just see if they're gonna come this way or come down. I don't know which way they're going. something here that we can kind of see here, see if they come through. You can see on that drone. I don't know right there. We're out here. Not sure how long I'm going to be able to work because the guy just down where I saw all the turkeys on Sunday night, I had to get going. He's working down there. I don't know exactly what he's doing. He has his truck and trailer and just monkeying around down there. So I'm going to kind of wander around a little bit and see if I can, I don't know, just walk around, see if I can see anything out in the fields or down around, and we'll go from there. But it doesn't look too promising today. This is my last day I could hunt. Seen a lot this season. I mean, it's been a good season. We've seen a lot, and good thing that Alex is next, so we kind of know what's out here and where we should be.